Good evening everyone, myself Rushali Madne and my research topic is an analytical study of work-life balance and its impact on working women in service sector in Marathwada region. Today we know women globally and regionally have excelled in all professions. Some have even developed an impressive image with successful stories that ought to be shared with others. However, today the question is not whether women can do the job, but rather how they can do their jobs without neglecting their personal lives. How their life can be made more enjoyable and less stressful by striking the right balance between life and work. In reality, today a working woman is expected to play multiple roles at the same time like she should be a creative wife, she should be devoted mother, and she should be a committed employee as well. Naturally, holding more than one role in life could lead to hectic and stressful life which required continuous learning and adaptation skills to accommodate the situation at hand. In reality, today's successful organizations are participating in ensuring that work-life balance of their employee are effective, balance, and especially their women segment. My research problem is to find out issues faced by women in balancing her domestic and professional life and find the situation to create that balanced approach. My research objectives are to assess the awareness of women employee about the work-life balance, to study the impact of work-life balance on working women in service sector, to identify the determinants of work-life balance of women employee, to identify the perception of women employees towards benefits and challenges towards work-life balance, to know the problems and prospects before work-life balance and women employees. The research methodology are as follows. Primary sources are used: survey method, observation method, and research papers, etc. Secondary sources are research papers, journals, news articles, etc. The sample size is near about 500 employees. The findings are like home life and work life affects each other. Size of the family affects the work-life balance. Women sacrifice her personal lives. Women life balance leads people to leave jobs. The conclusions are like working women have to handle tactfully her various phases of life to achieve work-life balance. She has to skillfully figure out ways which she gets mutually benefited in all the quadrants of life. Achievement and enjoyment in all phases will lead to work-life balance. Thank you very much.